Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Today we are going to study chapter number 5, heat. Heat. Heat is the transfer of energy from one object to another when the object have different temperature. Now, what do you mean by the word temperature? Temperature is an objective measurement of how hot or cold an object is, which means that we can measure whether an object is hot or cold and how hot or cold the object is through measuring its temperature. The temperature can be measured with a device called as thermometer or a calorimeter. It is a means of determining the internal energy contained within a given system. Now, we are going to study the states of matter and how heat is transferred in all the states of matter. As you all know, as we have studied in the earlier classes, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, particles are tightly packed and cannot move freely. In liquid, particles are loosely packed and can move freely. In gas, the particles are very loosely packed and are in a continuous random motion. So now we are going to study how the heat is being transferred in all the states of matter. Let's take an example of water. Water, when the temperature has been decreased, it converts into ice, and when we increase the temperature, it converts into vapor. We require a certain amount of energy, certain amount of heat needs to be transferred to convert the ice into water and then water into vapor. So now I am going to introduce you to three new terms: conduction, convection and radiation. The transfer of thermal energy from one material to another by direct contact is called as conduction. Conductive heat transfer happens when two solids touch each other or there is a physical contact. For example, touching hot surfaces or melting of ice cube. The transfer of thermal energy by the circulation or movement of a gas particles or a liquid particles is called as convection. For example, hot air balloon and water boiling. So when a water boils, the thermal energy is passed from one layer to the another layer of the water. Now we'll see what is radiation. When the energy is absorbed by the surface, it heats the surface. For example, sun rays, microwave oven or burning of fire. Here is the difference between these three terms: conduction, convection and radiation. Students, I request you to note this down. Students, I would like to share a few facts about heat and temperature. The hottest natural temperature ever recorded was on July 10, 1913 in Death Valley, California. It was 134 degree Fahrenheit. Do you know the flapping of thousands of bees generates 7 watts of heat? With this, we are coming to an end of today's session. Jazakallah khair all the students for connecting with me throughout the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.